Hello students, now read to find mod of the data. Mod is the data is a number of a data which comes maximum times in data. Okay students, so example 25, find the mod of the data 4 7 4 3 2 7 7 6 4 7 and 8. In this data 7 comes maximum times, it means 4 times, so mod of data equal to 7. Answer. Now example number 26, find the mod of the following frequency distribution. Number are given 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8 comes 3 times, 9 comes 8 times, 10 12 times, 11 15 times, 12 14 times, 13 17 times, 14 12 times, 15 8 times, 16 6 times. So maximum frequency 17. Maximum frequency 17. So mod of the data is 13. Okay students, mod of the data is 13 since 13 comes maximum times. Now mod for grouped data. Find the mod of the following frequency distribution. Class 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency 4, 7, 9, 11, 6, 10. Now draw a histogram for this following table. In graph paper, write a scale 10 small column on x-axis equal to 10 units and 10 small column equal to 5 units on y-axis. So escape 0 से 20 escaping and 20 to 30 write a pillar of height 4 units. Okay, and 30 to 40 draw second pillar 7 up to height 7 units. Third pillar 40 to 50 high up to height 9 and 50 to 60 write a next pillar 11 up to height 11 units. 60 to 70 write next pillar 6 up to height 7 6 units and last 70 to 80 2 units. In this graph for interval 50 to 60 pillar has maximum height, so top of this pillar A and B joint the attached pillar C and D, join AC and BD. Now intersection point of AC and BD, intersection points, draw a perpendicular from the intersection point on x-axis which cuts at point L, and L denotes the mod of the data which is 53. Okay students.